Mercedes. Now I have Mercedes there now. Big truck Mercedes Benz. I'll show you how sensitive is Mercedes. That's drain plug for the oil. We did a service on this one, changing the filters, everything on it. It's a major service and inspection. So look, I will show you how drain plug. There's only another 6 alin. Just okay. Just open that. Then you can drain the oil on that straight away. Take out the thing. Yeah. That's the thing. So that's a 35 liters of oil. So it's like dangerous. It's just show you the drain plug. It's just this. Yeah. With the oil, no thread at all. Just little lock there. What if it hits something? Then go straight away.